2,500-year-old principles to become a better trader. The Art of War was compiled over 2,500 years ago by Sun Tzu, a Chinese general and philosopher. His ideas and methods, analogies, and philosophical writings have been carefully studied and practiced for centuries in Asia. I read the book a couple of years ago, and since then I realized that his wisdom and ideas relate to the stock market and trading. The principles I'm about to reveal to you are priceless and timeless. So let's get started. Quote 1. If you know yourself and your enemy, you will not fear battle. If you know yourself but not your enemy, you will lose battle for every one that you win. If you don't know yourself and you don't know your enemy, you will never see victory. What does this mean for you as a trader? If you know your strengths and capabilities, and you know your market when trading, you'll end up being a consistent winner, with winning and losing trades, of course. If you know your strengths and capabilities, but you have no clue about the market, you will win one and lose one, and you'll probably break even at the end of the day. If you do not know your strengths, and you do not know your capabilities, and you have no idea about the market you're trading, well, you'll end up being a consistent loser. Quote number 2. Outwit the enemy instead of trying to outfight the enemy. So what does this mean for you as a trader? If you try and fight the market, prepare for ultimate portfolio devastation. You will lose in the end. The trick is to think strategically and ride with the market rather than against it. If you ride against the market, then make sure your losses are kept to an absolute minimum. Having the principles in place may define you as a successful and disciplined trader. Quote number 3. The general who wins the battle makes many calculations in his temple before the battle is fought. The general who loses makes but few calculations beforehand. So what does this mean for you as a trader? Every successful trader does their homework and research before they go out into the markets. They know their markets and they follow their rules with strict military precision. Before you take on any trade, make sure you have your entry. Make sure you have your risk levels and position sizing all calculated within that successful trading game plan. Has Sun Tzu changed the way you view markets? You can clearly see that there are no magical indicators and mystical levels in the above, because you don't need those to be a successful trader. Sun Tzu teaches you throughout his writings to continuously assess your opponents and strategic situations. Adapt to change and be flexible with changing market environments. Make sure you have the weapons, tools, techniques, and tactics in your arsenal to trade successfully. Sun Tzu might not have been a trader, but if he was, I imagine he would have employed incredible trading techniques to probably be one of the greatest traders of all time. Because 90% of what it takes to be a successful trader is discipline and psychology. And now you know what it takes to be a trading warrior. So go out there into the war zone and claim your financial freedom. Always keep in mind, wisdom yields wealth.